Hi, welcome to CAD-TECH. For today's tutorial, we will be using Chamfer command. Before we start our drawings, what we always do, we set the units. So make sure the precision is 0, unit to scale is centimeters, and then press OK. Let's zoom this drawing. So we will be using this lamp as our drawing reference. So let's start with rectangle command. Click anywhere on the screen and then dimension or type D. Let's indicate the length of the rectangle, which is 45. 45, and the width is 28. Then click. Now we will do chamfer command. Type chamfer, you can just click the icon and then click distance. Indicate the distance once, which is 28. And the distance 2 is, as you see here, we have a calculator. So 45 minus this measurement, which is 34. And then the answer is 11. So we have to divide it into 2 for both sides. So it's 5.5. So the second distance is 5.5 and then press enter. Now, this is our distance 1. So we have to select it first. Next, the distance 2. Press enter to repeat the command. Select the first distance and then the second and then press enter. Now let's create a midline. So let's just type any length. So for me it's 40. So the length of this line is 7 by 9. So it's 7. So let's just create 7 and then 9, enter. So we will just move these two lines, the midpoint. There you go. Let's just erase this line. And then we mirror this line, mirror to the other side. And then offset. So 9 minus 5 is 4. So we have 2 on both sides. So let's type 2. Click this line and then the other one. Now let's create a rectangle. Because this ellipse is drawn using a rectangle. So the measurement of our rectangle is D for dimensions. The length is 32 and the width or the height is 28. Let's just click this and then move. Displacement is midpoint. Place it in the midpoint. Now let's look for the ellipse. So you can type ellipse or you can just click this one. So we will be using this. You can use any, the axis end or the center. So I will just use the center. And then since we can identify the center point of our box, this is it. Just click it and then go to the end. Then click. Now we'll just have to offset it with 3. Type 3. Then offset our ellipse inside. You have to move it inside. And then press enter. So let's erase this one. Now the last one. So as you see, these lines is not intersecting our ellipse. So what we need to do is to extend it. So you go to trim. Click the arrow, go to extend, and just click those lines so it will meet with our circle. For our stand here, it's again a rectangle. So click here and then click on the screen. D, indicate the dimension. So we have length 18 and then the width is 4 or the height. Click. and then enter. And then let's move this rectangle using our midpoint as our displacement. And then let's erase this one. So once we're done, we will proceed to our hatch. Okay, so this is orange. You can use any color if you like. So you can type hatch, or the icons for the hatch is this one. Yeah. So select objects. Sorry, it's hatch again. So let's look for a pattern. So it's a solid orange. So you just select solid and then choose the color. Probably this one. And then automatic, you can pick any points where you want to be shaded. Press enter. Then repeat the command. And then let's choose this pattern. We can change this color. The color of this line, let's say yellow. So as you see, it's very small, the scale. So you have to double click, or when you click there, the options for our hatch will appear in your screen, and you can change the scale of our hatch. Let's say 5. And then let's change the angle. Let's try 45. There you go. Now we need to hatch this lower part, or the stand, so it looks like wood. So again, let's go back to hatch. I think this will do. And then let's just look for a color. I'm gonna be using this one. And then all you need to do is just click and then enter. So again, the scale is big or smaller. So let's make it a bit bigger, maybe 5. There. So once done, we will do our dimensions. So I've already create my dimension style, which is CAD-TECH. So I will just click this one and then set current and then close. Now I will proceed the dimensions following what is given on our drawing. Oops, before we forgot, we have a small circle here. So just click circle, our midpoint. So you can just put any measurement and then move. There you go. Let's continue with our dimensions. So the height, so from here it's 7, and then we can put it in the other side so we can measure the ellipse. So the thickness, down, so now let's erase this reference drawing. Let's go to layout. If you have any questions or comments, just comment down below. And please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more video tutorial in AutoCAD. Thank you for watching and God bless.